Okay, so this is part of the book launch section of the Zero to Hero Amazon KDP blueprint, and I'm currently shooting a video on how to get A+ content. Now, this what you're actually seeing right here was generated by ChatGPT. This that you are seeing is my book cover pre-designed exactly the way it is. ChatGPT actually mocked it up like this and put it here. This was written by ChatGPT. These images that you are seeing here was actually by ChatGPT. If you come down, you will still see another one. Exactly. You see the book cover. Exactly. One thing you need to understand is prompting. So this is the module 2 of my my A+ content that I'm trying to show them how to use AI to do. You understand? Now, this image was by ChatGPT. This one also was by ChatGPT. Look at the expression of this woman. Also look at the expression of this woman. Tired of bloating, fatigue, and hormonal course. You understand? This person is actually feeling pain and all that because this is a PCOS school book for women. Now, when we come, you look at this one is happy, real food, real happy, which means you have to actually eat this food to feel happy and get rid of this pain that this woman is feeling here. ChatGPT is so intelligent, and the way I achieve this is another one. This is the module 3, you understand, of my PCOS cookbook, and what you're actually seeing here was collected from my book, you understand, and you see what like ChatGPT can actually do. What is actually remaining is the module 4 of this particular A+ content. That is, you can use ChatGPT to design your entire A+ content, and you can even get an idea of what your A+ content could be like. Then you can go to Canva and design it. It is just mind-blowing. Now, this is the last section of like the A+ content, because the A+ content is like 4 modules. Module 1, module 2, which was the hook and the book cover of the book, module 3 and module 4. This is the last section. So this is like a call to action for my book, for people to actually get the book. And you see how beautiful this actually looks like. You get, I can also tell it to generate a better image than what I already have here, and it will also still do the magic for me. You can also still take this image and go to Canva and also redesign it according to what you feel like you want, by looking at what your competitors have done and creating something better than they have created. Like this one now, I will actually add a touch to it to make it come out well on Canva. But most of the images that it has generated for me has actually been stellar. Like this one, it generated for me, it has been stellar. Do you understand? I can just put my own design here, maybe remove this particular one and just add mine, so I can, like, this gives me an idea what my design could look like. If I go to the top, I can just use this like this because this one is actually perfect. If I actually go to, maybe what I can change is the the colors of the frame that was actually used to hold the text. You understand? Then if you go up again, you see this one is just like very perfect. You get, so this is like what ChatGPT can do for you. So if you have not gotten my course, you understand, the Zero to Hero Amazon KDP blueprint, I actually advise you do. Now, because I will be hitting 5,000 subscribers very soon, I actually dropped the message in the Telegram support group that I'll be helping 50 persons get into my mentorship, the Zero to Hero Amazon KDP blueprint, for 15,000 naira. So instead of 30,000 naira, I want to help these 50 persons get into the Zero to Hero Amazon KDP blueprint so that they can experience what real mentorship actually is and how easy it is for you to create, books that outsell themselves. Now, this is like the best Amazon KDP course that you can actually ever get out there. And when it comes to prompting and making things easy for you, this is what I have been able to achieve with this course. A total beginner. This course is actually explained like a 4-year-old child. Do you understand? That means you can understand it clearly I have seen people who have low understanding of things and they've bought about 9 courses, but they don't understand anything about KDP. They actually bought this course and it became easy for them to actually understand. You understand? So you can actually see things that you can do with just AI. You understand? With just AI. I can still tell you, just like I said, to get a better image than this, I want it to be colorful. It will actually do it for me. You understand? When it comes to prompting, I think I understand prompting more than any other KDP guru out there. Just like I said, I am not a guru. I'm a publisher in the business who is in the business and is experiencing real, growth and real experience and real results from the business. I don't just create courses, right? I am in the business of publishing. So if someone that is in the business of publishing, I don't create courses to sell. Do you understand? That is why you see me, I don't push this course promotion and all that. And I'll also be launching that book launch video, which is also a separate course. It will teach you a lot of things, how to get reviews. It will actually show you, like, I will show you how to get at least how to get at least 10 to 15 reviews for all of your books for free. You don't actually have to spend a dime. The only thing you have to spend is on cards. I will show you how to get reviews for free. I will show you different sites that you can actually use to get reviews for free. You understand? And these reviews that you're actually going to be getting for free will be verified review, which means your book will be purchased. You understand? I will actually show you how to build outside of Amazon and also how to get, reviews outside of Amazon, and also build a community that will help you make a lot of sales when it comes to this business. So I will attach a link to this video so that you can actually go and get the 0 to Hero Amazon KDP blueprint. Remember, it is only for 50%. Once the 50 slot is complete, and this bonus will actually be running for just up to the end of this month. If you see this video, after the end of this month, just know that, you don't qualify anymore. And once the 50 slots has been taken, you can't get access to it. That means you actually have to purchase the course for that particular price, which is also still cheap, still affordable, not even cheap, still affordable. You understand? So you click on the link in the description of this video, go and get the course. What's it called? A discount code will be attached to the description. You will see the discount code there. All you have to do is, when you want to check out, put the discount code, it will apply. Then the currency will actually change to the bonus, the discount price, and you purchase the course. If you also want to pay direct, you can send me a DM on Telegram to pay direct. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. It's Value Bank, and as always, I'll be rooting for you all from afar. God bless you.